SeaBank offers two types of cards, virtual and physical. The virtual card is perfect for quick and secure online transactions. It's super easy to set up and protects your sensitive info. Now, if you prefer an in-person shopping or need a card for ATMs, the physical card has you covered. It's durable, secure since it's a numberless card, and it works globally wherever MasterCard is accepted. Both cards come with amazing benefits. You can enjoy fast, real-time transaction alerts, zero annual fees, and competitive foreign exchange rates. Plus, their seamless integration with the SeaBank apps means you have full control over your spending, limits, and card security settings at your fingertips. Forgot your PIN? Need to freeze your card? It's all one tap away. And the best part, they have a referral system. You can earn just by signing up with my refer code, and SeaBank referral program rewards new users when they put 1,000 pesos in their account and keeping it there for at least 3 days. So, get your SeaBank card today. Don't forget to use my referral code to unlock exclusive rewards. Let's start banking smarter together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. And no, I'm not in any way, shape, or form sponsored by SeaBank, but I do earn a little in their referral system.